Alright guys, here's something interesting that I found yesterday just playing around. I was looking for ways that we can use Udemy for being able to help us to come up with some topic ideas, some topic angles specifically, because people will teach specific strategies that work. For example, I discovered a strategy just this morning. It's called Facebook carpet bombing strategy using Facebook ads. I won't go into the details of that right now, but I had never heard of it before until I started to do some digging. And yesterday I found a couple as well, just kind of similar kind of things. And I found one as well for YouTube SEO strategy that kind of resonates with some of the stuff that I've been teaching before, but not quite as detailed as the way that we have done it, because we have the software that can automate what he was actually teaching. But it just got me into looking into Udemy more, because if you can see some strategies, some specific strategies, this is a great way for us to be able to build small apps, okay, small apps, so that we can create these apps very, very quickly to use for the purpose of cementing our audience. So we use the initial apps to get the people in. Then we want to nurture them. So what I've done so far with my list, I haven't done any promotion whatsoever. I've done two emails. Two emails with two videos, okay? There was a part one and a part two. It was a ranking case study, and it was in real time. They could see it in real time. So I started the video the same day as I published that video, and it was syndicated to everybody. That was emailed, sorry, to everybody automatically who was on that list that's been building, and whoever comes into that email list will receive that video on day one. So they can actually see this in real. This was in real time. It was a real time case study that I did, and then a few days later came the second video. Once we had got rankings, and we had got multiple page one rankings, even for competitive keywords at that time. So that kind of basically piques the people's interest. Okay, so what do we do to nurture them after that? Well, these small apps that I'm talking about, things that are just small little strategies that we can use, that we can tweak, that we can improve, that we can make our own in a sense, that cements that list. Okay, that basically can cement the list into thinking, this is good, I like this kind of training, I am learning something, this is unique, I want to stay on this email list. So you're cementing them. When you send an email that's an offer, they're more likely to open it. They're more likely to at least check it out, and then it's up to the sales page to do its job. Okay, that's basically in a nutshell what we're trying to do. But you don't recommend anything just because you want to make money. You recommend only stuff that you think is actually very, very useful. First of all, that you would use it yourself, that you would buy it yourself, that would help your own business, that will help their business, and it is a genuine recommendation, and not just an email because you are sending emails out every day for every product launch that happens in that week. Okay, so you've got to be careful that you don't cross that line, because crossing that line is very, very, very hard to recover from for a lot of people on your email list. Okay, so anyway, back to this hack for Udemy. And it's not really even a hack, it's so damn simple. What we can do in here, I'm going to put in here for marketing. Okay, and in fact we don't even need to put marketing, we can come and find it here. Right now, you can go and search for according to keywords as well. I'm just going to show you a very, very quick and easy way to do this. Right now, what we can do is I want to do some filtering with these courses that I've got here. Okay, and the filtering comes down here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose free. Okay, and I'm going to just click on done. And you can see these courses here are all free. You've got literally hundreds of courses that are free. It's 52 pages here. 155 years of copywriting insights taught in 1.5 hours course. That is valuable. Okay, it's free. Now what's interesting about this as well is that we can see according to how many ratings, that can give you an idea how many people have been interested in this. And you can see like SEO is huge, hugely popular topic. Okay, come down a little bit more. Certification course. Okay, come down a little bit more. Sort of fundamentals, basics. So there's some stuff for beginners, there's some stuff for intermediate, Social media management is quite popular, but not as popular as what this is up here. Now this is just the free courses, but it's a good indication that SEO is a hot topic on here. Okay, and all this stuff you can pick up. This one here, Google AdWords for small businesses, for small business, secrets of an agency pro. Okay, so let's have a look in here. Okay, what we can do is have a look at the course content here. I'm used to using this on a mobile, so it's kind of hard for me to navigate here on the desktop. But what you can do is you can see here what they are talking about, what's involved. You can see there's 4 lectures under this section here, like create your winning strategy, create your Google AdWords account, build a search campaign, and there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Surely you can make a list out of this. You know, surely there's something here that we can use. Okay, but you can also find strategy stuff as well, which you just have to dig a little bit more. So that's Udemy. That's one way that we can use this. I mean, the best way to use it, in my opinion, is still to go in and look at the sort of main courses that are not free. Okay, but you can download a lot of free stuff as well. And I'll just go into marketing one more time in here. This time I'm not going to filter. And this time what I want to do, as you can see, it's like the most popular here. You can see it's got 99,000 ratings. Okay, at 4.5 or 4.4 ratings. That's a very, very good course. Now what makes it so good? Well, there must be something in it. Maybe we can find from the structure. Maybe we can learn something from the structure of this. You can see he's covered market research, building a website, email marketing, copywriting. He's covered Twitter, Quora. Oh, it's interesting, Quora. There's a strategy in here. Okay, this is good stuff. You can pick up from the paid information in here as well. You can pick up some ideas where you're not basically copy and pasting what they're doing, but you can see the structure. You can see what's been working successfully in Udemy, and it's got like 99,000 ratings. That's not people watching it, but that's just actual ratings. 99,446, 438,000 students. That's quite an email list he's built there, if he's able to build an email list from this. And this, you know, just a nice way that we can get some ideas and pick up some topic ideas that actually do resonate with people and that appeal to people. And you can have a look as well about how he has put together his information here with the description, and see if you can learn anything that we can use. Okay, so we can put some of that description, for example, inside the Chrome store description. Okay, you can use some of that, only if you're going to use it properly. You can see some reviews in here as well, where you can pick up some ideas there, what people are talking about, what they really liked. A whole bunch of great information there, and it costs you nothing to do this research. Okay, and you can even get a whole bunch of free courses while you're at it as well. Good information, good website, Udemy, good place for us to go and see what actually is resonating within marketing niche or any other niche, because there's stuff in here for yoga, for meditation, for all kinds of different things, and you can pick up a huge amount of information. Okay, thank you.